going on, guys? Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're actually going to be working on Tyler's Miata. He got a KBD body kit and we're going to go ahead and install that. We're going to head over to his house right now. It's like 5 minutes down the street. I just got off work, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Ready? Yep. Alright, we're at Tyler's house. We got the Miata. We got Tyler, Austin to help out. We got the KBD body kit right there and right there. We're gonna start by taking the bumper off, the daytime running lights, and the turn signals. Let me get that on film.
No, I'm good.
Yo, Austin.
Hold up.
Wait, yo, go drift it.
Hold up.
Oh my God, what's he doing? Tyler with this scrumptily dumptious.
Now it's complete.
Austin, how does about to look?
On the ground.
Alright, so we're taking out these 10 mil bolts. There's 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, all along the front. Right. Then we got the 2 in the fender well, 1 up top, 1 up the bottom. Same on the opposite side. Nice. I got it. We're gonna press up. Front bumper off. Kind of just threw that on just to see what it would look like. It's kind of hanging, but it's dope. It's dope. Yo, this is a lot of space for an intercooler, Tyler.
I do have a gap to fill now.
Or a cold air intake for an LS.
Whatever I want there.
Yep, we got the body kit on. I gotta go to work, so I'll be back. But they're gonna continue to work on it. Yeah, you got front bumper, now you gotta do side skirts and rear bumper. Alright, day 2 now, working on Tyler's car, installing the body kit. We got this permanently mounted for today. Looking good. Fitment's obviously not perfect, but you know, it's never gonna be perfect with a aftermarket kit unless body work is done, but you know, we did what we could. We're gonna start working on the rears. We're gonna jack it up, take off the back bumper, and then put the new rear bumper on, and then after that we're gonna do side skirts. To take off the rear bumper, we got 3 bolts inside here. We might have to jack up the car since this car's so low. And then on the back side of the bumper, I have to go underneath. There should be 4 bolts here, 4 bolts there, and it'll come right off. Alright guys, sorry to interrupt this video. Unfortunately, I lost some of the footage when I was editing. Some of it got corrupted, so I don't have the ending process of putting on the rear bumper, the side skirts, and all that. But here's a video. I'm going to put a little clip that I put on Snapchat of what it looks like, and then we're going to drop it off to Tyler. Also, I wanted to say this is what the car is looking like right now. I just went to AutoZone to pick up some things because guess what? In the next video, I don't know if it's gonna be the next video, but one of these upcoming videos, I got a lot pending, is going to be getting the car painted. So a couple weeks ago, my car actually got hit at my job in the employee parking lot. So the bumper was hanging off. They scratched up my rims and my fender, and I just decided, you know, fuck it, I'm just gonna go ahead and paint the whole car. We are gonna be doing a different color, so stay tuned for that color reveal. And for now, just enjoy the rest of this video. Sorry that I lost the footage. I did my very best to try and like revive the footage, but I just couldn't. I tried everything I could possibly think of. But yeah, here you guys go. Alright, we're pulling up to work real quick so we could show Tyler the Miata. Let's see his reaction. He should be waiting for us out front, I think. Or not. He said he was at VR, so you're gonna do another loop around. Oh, there's Joel and Jesse. Joel, we broke Joel's neck. Like park in front of the escape rooms, and then we'll back it out. Just park in here. Just back it in. Just pull it in. There he is. Yo. What do you think?
This shit is clean.
You like the Sharpie we added on the screws?
Paint it, let's go. The doors close okay?
Yeah. Well, yours, you gotta like slam it a little bit harder than usual, but it's dope.